no, we're gonna beach them. But people are gonna be all on the pier, so that's what's the problem. Because they stay in the room. It's gonna be like any other.
Hi, Rob. What do we put out there? What do
Atlantic Sharpnose, point or whatever.
Okay, we put an Atlantic Sharpnose out. We cut it in half, and a half hour later,
here we are.
We got a real decent fish on.
Whoa, there you go. Watch the run.
There you go. Got him. Yeah?
Yeah.
If you need help, let me know.
I was gonna ask you want me to get the camera.
It's a big shark.
Hey, which side are you gonna beach him on?
Mike, he's gonna go under the pier.
Yeah, Mike, which side we're gonna beach him on?
This side.
This side?
Yeah.
Well, you want me to clip?
Not yet. Just let's get him next to the pier. Look at that lemon. Yeah, watch out.
That's not a hammerhead.
It's a big lemon, big lemon. Alright, reel down real quick, reel down real quick. There you go. Yeah, yeah.
Come here.
Get his head up first, Rob. Get his head up. He's gonna go around the piling. There you go. There you go.
Oh shit, there goes the belt.
Yeah. Alright, somebody grab the belt off of him.
Tie the fucking belt on, Brian.
Okay.
Get it, guys. Come on. Pull her in. Come on, pull it in.
Oh, he's stuck on. Hold the slide, will you? Hold it up there.
Come on.
Here, hold on. I need it back.
You gotta do it. Watch him. Keep going. They can see him.
Pull it out! Pull it out!
Pull this way. Can you pull this way? Oh, I gotcha.
That's best.
Can you see this?
Hey, you guys gotta get off the beach.
Yeah, get off the beach.
Alright guys, about a 350-pound lemon shark. That's a nice shark. Okay, we're gonna release him.
Mike, let him go.
Yeah. Here, hold this, hold this, hold this.